Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal vouchers. These fantastic digital discounts can help you save money on many online purchases. We'll cover everything from finding them in your account to successfully applying them at checkout. PayPal vouchers are a great way to get a little extra value, so let's make sure you don't miss out on any savings. First, let's find those vouchers. Log into your PayPal account and look for the Wallet or Offers section. Here, you'll see all your available vouchers. It's super important to click on each one and read its specific terms and conditions. This ensures your purchase meets any minimum spending requirements or other criteria, helping you avoid any surprises later on. Now for the exciting part, applying your voucher. When you're ready to make a purchase online, simply select PayPal as your payment method at checkout. If your purchase qualifies, the available voucher should appear as an option. Make sure to select it and confirm that the discount is clearly reflected in your total before you complete your transaction. It's a quick and easy step. Sometimes a voucher might not apply as expected, but don't worry. First, double-check the voucher's expiration date. Many have a limited time frame. Also, confirm your purchase meets all the eligibility criteria, like a minimum spend or specific item. If you've checked everything and still have trouble, PayPal's customer support team is always there to help you out.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.